The DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo Kit comes with a lot of accessories, and those of you who are in this space know how valuable this device is and how hard they are to come by these days. So it's extra important that we take care of our little friend, and it can't just be through this. With all of these other pieces, there's got to be a better way to make sure that the Pocket 3 and its friends are around to help you out for a very long time. So I think we have a solution. We'll take a look at the possible remedy for your Pocket 3 protection needs straight ahead. Hi friends, Bill here from Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. Thank you for being with us as we take an up-close look at what I think is a really good solution for caring for your DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo Kit. We'll call it the P3 moving forward. And if you have one, which would make sense since you're watching a video about caring for one, you understand how sizable of an investment this is and how important it is to take good care of this entire kit. So we're going to take an up-close look at the NEEWER AC022 hard case for the DJI Pocket 3, and we'll explore all of this together as we take it out of the box, and then we'll zoom in close to see what's inside of this little guy. Right off the bat, as we begin examining this case from NEEWER, we know it's a hard shell case that seals very tight. The claim is that it's waterproof. We won't be testing that in the video today, but it sure seems like that's a legitimate claim. Inside, we have the wrist strap so that you can attach that to the outside and have a way to attach this to your backpack or literally to your wrist. Now, part of what we see in here is one of, kind of one of those fun things where you get to do some pluck and pick foam for the different aspects of your kit. We'll get into that here in just a moment. First, let's make sure that the key element in all of this, the P3 itself, has a comfortable home. We're going to store it in the hard shell case that it came with, and obviously this is that slot, and it fits in there perfectly. It's also snug, so you're not going to have to worry about it coming flying out. Now we'll come over this way and start to take some of the foam out so that we have a clear idea of what all can be stored in here. And I don't know how well you can see, but there are little slots along here for your micro SD cards. For those of you who have the wide angle lens, there's a slot here for that. I have never used that, but there it is. It's got a home inside this kit. We also want to make sure that we have space for our wireless mic. That's going to pop into here. For the tripod attachment right here. For the extender, the extra power pack, that's going to slide right into here. And of course, for the little tripod that comes with it, that's going to go right into here. We also have some space if you wanted to store the windscreen. I call it the dead mouse. Sorry for those of you who are mouse lovers. The snugness for the main P3 is very strong. I like that. The battery extender fitting very snugly. Microphone very snugly. Everything's in there good. There's a little bit of loose play here for the tripod. Then we close things up and we are good to go. There's no rattling. There's nothing coming loose. It is fully protected, ready to slide into your backpack. Or as I said, you can put the wrist strap on there and attach it any other number of ways. So if you're searching for a really effective, reliable way to take good care of your P3 kit, I think the NEEWER AC022 might be the kit for you. Hey, I rhymed. Thanks for joining us here on Bill's Reviews and Tech Tips. Make sure you check out the description below with a special link to save a couple bucks off your order directly from NEEWER.